Погода самый раз для того, чтобы в 10 утра попить кофе, выдвигаться на гору, катать фрирайд. Так что такое, 13 февраля 23 года.
All cause niggas ain't recognizing that I'm the one. Knowing if I see him and hop out, they gon' run. Clear whole gates, visualizing the outcome. Multiple lead showers, dozens of pretty flowers. Memories, tears, screams, and hollers for hours. Fucking cowards. Your bird brain should've stayed in college. Now you're in the war zone where niggas die with dollars. And what you get? Nothing but a moment of silence. An old lady screaming, stop the violence, here we go. Another typical video. Niggas screaming out of city.
Идешь абсолютно комфортно.
UOYSSUP or PUSSY, it don't matter how you flip it. Rearrange it or move it. Niggas die for music.
It's simple, ain't it? The D's trying to find out if it's gang related. I'm riding in my old school candy painted. The unit on top and they mad we made it. We can't be faded. It's simple, ain't it? The D's trying to find out if it's gang related. I'm riding in my old school candy painted. The unit on top and they mad we made it. We can't be faded. It's simple,
ain't it? There's a little story I would like to tell about a certain individual perpetrating like hell. Well, you seen him round imitating legends. Tough as hell on his records, but terrified of my presence. I'm tickled cause his career only lasted a couple seconds. Begging for attention, dropping a name in every sentence. A little slick punk from the other side of the water as the target intended for the slaughter. Sequoia lawyer, I get up on ya. Your enemies are rich. Man, think about it. You can't even control your bitch. These industry fucks don't want no drama. Nigga, respect me like an old timer, like old summer. I'ma keep my composure before I burn that nigga. Radio rapper, Howard Stern ass nigga. And I'ma be on top of you with or with no hit. Cause I'm so slick, that's the niggas you roll with.
It's simple, ain't it? The D's trying to find out if it's gang related. I'm riding in my old school candy painted. The unit on top.
Такой 14 апреля 23 года. Паудером. Ваудером, конечно, не назовешь, если поехать покататься, но просто подняться по хорошей погоде. Хорошее занятие.